Hey, good afternoon, and welcome to another week number 5 of our time together in critical thinking. This week, we're going to go and start looking at really how to evaluate certain things with evidence. This is kind of my biggest pet peeve when it comes to critical thinking and just logic or people having arguments, discussions, whatever it might be. I will accept anything as long as you bring forth evidence with what it is that you're trying to say. It doesn't matter what it is. You and I can have a discussion on the best fast food restaurant, and I'm going to bring an argument that Chick-fil-A is the absolute best when it comes to chicken sandwiches, and I'm going to use as evidence, first of all, just the pickles on the sandwich, right? Or I'm going to talk about, the packaging, or I'm just going to give all of these details that I believe gives evidence to the fact why a chicken sandwich at Chick-fil-A is a whole lot better than a Chick-fil-A sandwich or a sandwich at McDonald's, a chicken sandwich. I could do the same thing when it comes to politics. This is why I support this particular person to be a leader because this is what they've done, or this is what they haven't done. So you use evidence to support your decision. This is why I'm choosing to take this job, or this is why I'm choosing not to take this job. You evaluate things, and that's what we're going to do this week. And a couple of things I want to go over to kind of help you with it. The first thing is I've put some notes under the reading assignments. It's a lot of them, I know, but it's a good summary of helping you when it comes to different types of evidence, kind of goes along with the chapters that we're reading this week. So the first assignment that you have this week is your discussion board. And it's important that you really read the questions, read what I'm asking you to do with this. Now, number one, you only have to reply to one classmate. So keep that in mind, only one classmate, but it needs to be at least 100 words in length. So here's what you're going to be doing. You need to make sure that you complete the assignment exactly as I've asked you to do it. There's a video that is actually down here that you're going to watch. It's called the Evaluating Websites video. You're going to watch that. And then after that, I want you to pick one of the topics that I've got here. The election of 2000, Rosa Parks, assassination of Lincoln. Notice they're all history things because it's kind of where my focus is. And you're going to choose one of them. Now, instead of you talking about that particular event and giving me your opinion on it, you're going to do something a little bit different. You're going to start looking at websites that discuss this particular event. You're going to evaluate that website and how you feel that website does in portraying the respective event. Once again, you're not writing a paper on the topic, you're evaluating the website. And to do that, here's the steps that you're going to follow. You're going to use the information in the video. You're going to go straight down the list here, and you're going to do exactly what I'm asking you to do. And there's the ABCD method that's found in the video. And you really want to see, is this a good resource? You guys are doing research for your papers, right? You just finished the annotated bibliography. So this gives you a good chance to say, okay, were my sources really good? Do they really effectively help me make the point that I'm trying to make? So you're going to answer the questions and you're going to follow the format as you see it below. Please don't use Wikipedia as a website because, first of all, that's not a good website. I'm just going to tell you right now, if you did a Wikipedia, you're not going to get a good grade on it because it's just not a good website. Okay, so follow the guidelines based in the video, and you're choosing one of these, and it's up to you which website you choose to evaluate. There's all kinds of different websites when it comes to one of these. So you're only doing one topic, and you're looking at one website. Okay, that's one assignment. The other assignment that you are going to be doing this week is your practice assignment number 3. And for this one, I'm going to give you a chance to just take a little mental break, if you will, and you're still working on arguments and evidence, but it's maybe on a little less stressful. I don't know, it might be a very stressful topic. So I want you to think about, what's your biggest pet peeve? What's the thing that aggravates you the most? And how can you reduce that aggravation? How can you even eliminate that aggravation? So you're going to explain to me, first of all, in detail. I want to know, what's the pet peeve? You can say, I mean, somebody chewing gum. Well, fine, but why? Why is that? Why is it a big deal for you? Why is it a pet peeve? You really want to explain that. And then you're going to address what your solution is to stop that. How can you stop that? Okay. So pet peeve, maybe it's something your spouse does, your children do, your employer. Just don't tell me where you work. But it could be something, that helps you explain what really drives you crazy. Okay. 2 assignments for this week. Don't forget the um, discussion forum. Your initials due on Thursday, replies due on Sunday. Everything else is due on Sunday. As always, I hope you recognize how valuable you are to this community of learning that we're doing in this class. I'm learning a lot from you. I hope you're enjoying the course. As always, I'm available any way that I can help you. Go out there and do something great this week, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome week. Take care.